What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. I'm going to show you how to play The Night We Met by Lord Huron in under 3 minutes. There's a couple different ways to play it here. It's a very chill song with the electric guitar, but I'll show you the acoustic version. Now, you saw here I was doing some high chords, some bar chords like this. I'll come back to those in a second. Let me give you the basics though. The verse goes like this: E minor, I'm not the only D major traveler, like that. So E minor to D to G, and if you can do this little walk up on when it goes to the D, so it goes E minor, you play the D and you just put your thumb right there on the second fret of that E string, and then it goes to a G. That's a way to do a little walk up and make it interesting. And then it goes back to E minor, who has not repaid G his debt, C major. The next verse goes again, and next part goes E minor, I've been searching for a trail, D major with that little thumb to G to follow, again G, and E minor, take me back to the G we met, C. And then he does that E minor, G, C like 4 times in a row. And then it goes to the chorus, and it basically does the same chords again. I had all of you, E minor, D, and none of you, G. And E minor, take me back to the G we met. And it goes back to E minor, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, haunted, D major by the ghost of you. E minor, take me back to the G major, night we met, C major. So that's it. It's very repetitive, but it's cool. Now what makes it is the strumming. Let me give you the strumming and then I'll show you those high notes. Ready? So you get that kind of strumming going, or you can play real low. Like that. All right, but to play it the way a little bit closer to the record is you're playing an E minor way up here. It's basically like playing a C sharp minor, but you're doing it on the 7th fret, and it goes, it's hitting that A string right there. Like that. Then it goes to a D major, like that, like this, a bar chord D major. Check the link in the description for the chord charts. To a G. So you're low to high like that. You could do it a little bit simpler like this. So I only did that little bar chord and then went to a regular D to a regular G. And that's it. The same kind of chords over and over again. Super easy, but it's very chill. You just got to get that spooky, eerie, slow-paced feel of it. Listen to the record and you'll be great. All right, I'd love to hear how you do in the comments. Tell me about the high chord up there, and I'll catch you around for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.